Assisi. Found this free parking just behind the actual town of Assisi. And hopefully we'll keep some of the sun out because it is hot.
It's pretty hot. Look at that. You're not sure what we're looking at, but probably it's a medieval castle above Assisi.
Coming down from the castle.
Alone.
È sempre misero chi a lei s'affida, chi le confida, mal cauto il core, pur mai non sentesi felice appieno chi su quel seno non liva amore.
And so that was where Saint Francis prayed.
Turn left onto Piazza San Rufino.
Oh my god.
She's so loud.
La donna è mobile, tua più male vento, muta l'accento e di pensiero,
What you got there?
e di pensiero.
He said, maybe they filmed Harry Potter here.
All of it douchebag, just some of it.
You're the douchebag.
No,
Yeah, for him.
no, there's a proper gelateria. Can I go have some
No.
some gelato from there?
Let's go.
Well, what if that gelato's better than my gelato?
Oh my god. Those are the leftovers of the Museum of Minerva. Not museum. What do you call it? Too late.
So boring. First century BC. That's old. Where's the forum? Foro Romano, Assisi Underground. Closed. It's just down that way. Now we gotta walk up this hill again. My dentist says I can't do exercise. It's true. So pretty, huh?
What you doing?
Got something for you.
What?
Got something.
What you got? Yep, you know you're the worst, right? So the old school
Look, there's a what's on that? Old school. Old school. Stand there. I'll never know. Alright, what are we looking at, Bunny?
The Franciscan Basilica.
Ooh.
In this town, Saint Francis was born before he even knew he was a saint. Most time.
Last time. Keep walking, Bunny. You're the final part of the video. Nice. And cut. And that was the Church of Saint Francis, Franciscan monks, where it all began, where we were not really supposed to take pictures. I think God will forgive us this time, because it's for my YouTube channel.
Assisi.
Well, heading back up to our van. Really beautiful town, huh?
Yeah.
You're stealing them from people's garden plants. So sophisticated. Your cheese platter, huh? And wine. Nice. So we're watching a sophisticated movie. Probably boring. A bunch of sci-fi or war movie. We watched The Professor with Johnny Depp. Great. Might be good. After our exploration of Assisi yesterday, today we got some chores to do. French SIM cards only give us 5 gig internationally, despite the guy saying 25. So we now have to send a snail mail letter to Paris to cancel our contracts, because that's the only way to end your contract with free, which is very annoying. And then we have to go fill up with fuel, fill up with water, and try and get some data on an Italian SIM card, and hopefully be able to fly tomorrow evening. We're still in Assisi, and we just found out today that the weather should be good to fly this afternoon. We had to wait 3 days in the end. It's 31 degrees today, so there should be some really nice restitution here. We're flying at probably 5-6 o'clock this evening. There's Assisi over that way, and then it's onwards to Castelluccio. Oh my god, it's so hot today. Whew. Ready to go fly, Bunny? We're going up there to fly Subasio. Let's go in the van, €8 each. So glad we didn't take our van up here. Oh, your sunglasses. Honey. So we parked up here 3 years ago. We parked just over there in Lemonade. Ready to fly, Bunny? It helps when there's so many pilots. Look at all these pilots just showed up. And out there is Assisi. Just down there. Ready to fly? Yeah? Yeah. Out. There's the seasick, 1,400 meters at 6 o'clock in the evening. Look at that. Look. I was up and now I'm going down. That was a beautiful flight. Hey buddy, good flight.
Bunny's super chuffed that he had an amazing flight. We're leaving Assisi behind.
There's the mountains, look good.
I had a nice one, also shorter than I would have liked. But I had some interesting lessons.
You learned that I'm better than you.
Yeah, in your dreams.
Hey, I'm driving!
But I also enjoyed that there were quite a lot of pilots and very nice ones. Yeah,
Even though one guy gave a shit when he first
yeah, but
can't sleep yet!
But then he was very nice.
I started talking to him and he was nice.
Yeah.
And now we're on our way to Castelluccio with a stop in between
Foligno.
Foligno. You want to see my gross spider bite?
No,
I'm
Jesus.
driving behind this truck with boxes hanging off the back of
La donna è mobile, qual piuma al vento, muta d'accento e di pensiero. Sempre una amabile, leggiadro viso, il pianto il riso e menzognero. La donna è mobile, qual piuma al vento, muta d'accento e di pensiero. E di pensiero.